So it's Monday the 20th of November. It is like threatening to rain, which isn't good, but there you go. I'm down Monk's Walk for more Hyperia construction update, being number 12. Last time I was down here putting the supports up for the final brake run into the station, and apparently now there's track for the final brake run into the station. Again, I've missed track being installed. It was like only 2 weeks I was down here last, and yeah, but my god, just looking at it now, flipping heck, I literally cannot believe what I'm seeing. Let me show you. This is what I'm seeing now. It's like a major twist just there where my finger's pointing. There's Thorpe Park. This is what I'm seeing now. Look at that. That's the little lift hill before going actually into the station. This is unbelievable. I mean, just seeing it, seeing all that, there's like that mad, crazy element. Flipping heck. There's the final brake run. It goes all the way down into the station. I don't know if you can see it there, but my god, can you believe this? Look at that. I mean, that's unbelievable. Look at that. And yet 2 weeks ago they were just putting like these supports in. I also seen Dominic. He got some updates as well, but my god, can you believe how quickly this has gone up? After watching Jack's update from yesterday, well, yesterday evening, he did mention in his construction updates that the guardrail leading from the final brake run with that little airtime hill, just look at that already. It's already gone up. Obviously there's the station building, but my god, I mean, can you believe this? But blimey, this is literally, I can't believe what I'm seeing already. This is unbelievable. I mean, just being here, I mean, look at that for like the final brake run. They have a little airtime hill and then slowly coming in to the actual, I mean, just seeing the station now, it's I mean, like, looking at the dimensions from this side it looks small, but I mean, don't get me wrong, I've done other Mack coasters with my trappiness, I'd say bigger than Hyperia, Icon, again, fairly big. But look at that, my god. Well, the sun's trying to peek out. Looking at it from every other angle, I mean, look at look at that final break when you come over the hills, like from coming out of that element over there and into the final brake run. My god, can you... I literally cannot believe it. This is really uncanny. I mean, just, I literally cannot believe, like, Loggers Leap was formerly here. And now look at it. My god. Wow, wow, my god. Gee. Looking at the station now, that must be like the steps leading down to off the ride. And the other steps, I don't know if you can see, is the entrance to Hyperia. My god, just look at this, unbelievable. So, just beyond the final bike run and the catwalk, where them 3 supports are, is more supports. So there's more supports going further afield. Look at that, my god. So that crane, it looks like more supports are being moved along. Now, I don't know if that will be for the splashdown element or another part of the coaster. I can't say for certain, but yeah, looks like it's coming down. Wow. So far, I mean, looks like it's doing really well, must admit. It's like down Monk's Walk, it's extremely limited what angles and what footage you can get. So I think the only like privileged ones is Jack and Dominic actually like being on the construction site, of course, Thorpe Park. But yeah, I mean, like, so far I think the crane's just dropped off another support. Can't really tell from this angle. Yeah, another support has gone down. I get the thing, that angle is like the start of the actual lift hill. 236 feet up into the sky, but I could be wrong. Probably Jack or Dominic would know, like from being in the construction site, probably. So I don't know what them green supports are. It's hard to say really. Could be like to guide the track, I don't know, but I mean so far it's looking amazing. There's the stairs leading up to the station, like Jack was saying in his last construction update, on the right hand side there. That must be like the stairs leading down to the plaza area. I really don't know, but so far, my god, look at this. It's not the best of weather. I think it's kind of like threatened to rain, but yeah. That's like the station, but I'm curious. I mean, these green and wooden, I don't know, structures. I wonder if that's oh, actually, tilt that. I reckon that's gonna like be the turnaround section before the initial chain lift hill climb. So I'm wondering if it's gonna be like similar to like the big one, where it like sort of dips down before it turns to the right, before the initial lift hill. That's the impression I'm getting actually. Wow. So yeah, like there's this, I don't know if you can see the track from here, but yeah, this is looking brilliant. Looks like more supports are being sorted again. Can't really see it now. Maybe you can, I don't know. I'd say yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Really good. I'm with Dominic as well. Say hello, Dominic.
Hello. Oh, look at this.
Yeah. So, to the right of the stairs leading up to the station, that's what they're working on with the supports currently. Just there. So, right, don't think there's like much left to do with construction update number 12 on Hyperia. Seeing more supports going up, seeing what looks like is turnaround section from the station, plus the catwalk for the final brake run. Seeing the brake run, that's something else, and the little airtime hill before that, before coming into the brake run. See, 2 weeks ago, I've seen the supports going up for that. It was amazing, but yeah, like track, supports, catwalk, all sorted. Doing quite well actually, considering. But yeah, I think don't think I've seen like any track going. Could be wrong, maybe during the week, who knows, but yeah, doing extremely well. So Dominic points out Mack is also here. Look at that. Now it's time to go to other side of Abbey Lake. So on the other side of Abbey Lake, seen that mad inversion as well as Thorpe Park itself. So that's it from overlooking Thorpe Park. It's been a good update. What can I say? Met Dominic, of course. He's still down Monk's Walk, I think. Great to see the brake run and complete into the station, as well as the catwalk for evacuating guests from the final brake run. I do hope you enjoyed this particular update on Hyperia. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, it does help. As well as if you can share this out, greatly appreciated. Do leave me a comment, and lastly, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dave's Adventures, for more content like this and other stuff. So yeah, until next video, bye. See you everyone, bye.